This is our Module 1, our first week, and so it's the introduction class. And for this first module, as you might expect, we're just going to try and wrap our heads around the concept of diversity and why we're talking about it. The answer is complex. The word or the concept diversity is an abstraction. It means different things in different contexts and to different people, and that makes it challenging to think and talk about. It's legal, it's political, it's sociological, it's anthropological, it's historical, and it's managerial in its complexities. Many of you have had classes on the subject or had diversity trainings in the workplace, but some of you have not. So share your thoughts and understandings on discussion board, because this class works best when we work together. Outside of any context, the word diversity just means differences. It could be differences about a lot of things. It just means there are differences in a group of things, any kind of differences. But when we talk about diversity in organizations, people pretty much know we're talking about the diversity of people. But what kinds of differences are we talking about? People are different in lots of ways. Dress, clothing, language, accent, fingerprints, DNA, hair color or length, height, weight, I'm big and tall, sex, dominant-handedness, left or right, intelligence, emotional intelligence, physical abilities, artistic talent, birthplace, skin pigmentation, religion, occupation. I could go on and on. Why talk about one rather than another? Most issues of diversity in management are about how people get along with one another and how they react to one another. They're about personal identities and characteristics. Here's our first challenge. Personal characteristics are not just what I am, but what you think I am and what you think about me and how you react to me and how I react to your reactions to me. Take some time to think about that. That's sort of complex. My identity depends on how you categorize me as much as it depends on how I see myself. In fact, how you treat me and categorize me shapes how I think about myself. They're not independent. If you think I'm great or horrible, that influences how I think of myself. It doesn't determine it, but it influences. To further complicate things, my reactions to you don't depend only on how you and I are getting along personally, but also about how we engage in groups, particularly groups where one or the other of us is in the majority and the other's in the minority. I probably act differently with you in a one-to-one situation than I do if we're in a group. How can we productively manage these relationships? How can we encourage these relationships to be positive and productive? To make this even more complex, the relationships of you and I in the office or organization are influenced by events neither one of us controls. If something happens in the world, in current events, in the news, I may become more anxious, suspicious, or angry at you because of the group you're a part of, even when nothing has changed between us. Or I may think others are looking at me differently because I'm a member of a group that was in the news, even if they're not. Diversity is one complex and difficult concept, and the idea of managing diversity, it's almost